family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selina Zinchuk. I just want to tell everyone thank you that have been voting for me daily. I was able to make it to the next round of the Miss Jet Set magazine cover mother, so I will still need your votes every day. And thank you so much for all the love and support. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you ingredients that is capable for helping you with your thinning hair. The solution that I show you, I just want to also show you the ingredients so that you can see how to make it. The first ingredient was our bay leaves. I'm now going in with my black rice. And then this is our Burdock Root. After adding in our Burdock Root, I'm now going in with our cloves. If you want to know more about this recipe, I will leave the video down in the description box for you. In that video, I talk more about each ingredient and tell you all what it's going to do to benefit your hair. Now, once you see that your solution changes in color, you can turn your stove off, let it cool down a little bit, and then just strain it. After straining it, I'm going in with my S Secrets growth oil. This is my 21 ingredients growth oil. It's also safe to use on kids. You can now find my products on Amazon.com. I will also leave all of those links down below in the description box. I'm now going in with my carrot growth oil. This all also consists of ingredients we can help block DHT. Give it a good shake and our solution is ready. Now to pre-poo my hair, I will be using our solution and then I will be using our oil. Just in case if you don't know, I am going on a 6 months hair growth challenge. I will leave that video down below in the description box just so you can check it out in case if you want to join the challenge. So during my challenge, I plan to take care of my hair properly on a weekly basis. I will wash my hair once a week, go in with my complete hair routine. If you are familiar with my channel, you know my hair routine consists of a pre-poo, treatment or shampoo, a conditioner and deep conditioner, and then I moisturize my hair using the LCO method and the LOC method. So that is what I'm going to continue to do for the next 6 months. And then when I wash my hair, after 3 days, I will take it down, re-moisturize it, and then I will leave it in until the next wash day routine, which will be after 7 days. And I will continue this routine, and then after 6 months, we will see how much inches I was able to grow or how healthy my hair is going to look.
Mrs. Selina Pinto Zinchuk is originally from West Africa, born in Liberia, but lived and schooled in Accra, Ghana for many years. She has always been an entrepreneur. She previously owned and managed a pub in Accra, Ghana. She loves traveling, learning about different cultures, and trying different kinds of food as well. She has traveled to many countries within West Africa, UAE, UK, Europe, and America where she resides. Mrs. Selina Zinchuk is passionate about inspiring women into starting their own businesses. As a founder of S Secret, Selina Zinchuk built her own brand from the scratch by incorporating her specialized knowledge, DIS, with her own curiosity. She is confident, dedicated, honest, creative, and reliable African woman. She enjoys meeting new people and creating atmosphere of happiness for others too. Apart from Selina's success in her hair and other business, she is married to her loving husband, Mr. Brian Zinchuk, and they are blessed with two beautiful girls, Sonia and Aurora. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Selina has been selected out of 1,000 ladies to run Miss Jet Set 2022, coming up on the 3rd of January. Selina is asking all Liberians, Ghanaians, friends, and families to vote for her as she becomes Miss Jet Set 2022. All you have to do is visit the website missjetsetmag.com/2022/Selina Zinchuk. Voting begins 10 a.m. on the 3rd of January 2022. And remember, voting is absolutely free. Time up for us to rise and support our own. Vote Mrs. Selina Zinchuk to become the next Miss Jet Set 2022.
A big thank you to my sister Deborah and also to the Ghanaian community for putting such an amazing audio together, asking people to help support me win the Miss Jet Set magazine cover. So as you guys saw, after going in with the shampoo, I left the shampoo on for 5 minutes and then I went and rinsed it out. I'm now just going in with the conditioner. For the conditioner, it tells you to leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes, but I'm going to be using it as a deep conditioner treatment because I just love the way it make my hair feel. And then I'm also going in with my S Secrets Growth Oil over it, and I just love the tingling sensation that this complete shampoo and conditioner give your scalp. You can feel that it is really sending a lot of blood flow to our follicles, a lot of circulation, which is really great for hair growth. So if you are suffering from hair thinning, this is something that you should give a try because this line is called the thinning hair line. And you can ask them more questions about it. I will leave their website link down below in the description box. So I'm just going to sit on my steamer for a few minutes, and then after I'll leave it on for an hour, and then I will rinse it out and do my normal bond. Okay family, so if you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like, leave a comment down below and subscribe. Do not forget to vote for me. I really need that daily vote. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.